Impenetrable barrier. Xcluder rodent control fill fabric fills gaps, holes, and openings throughout buildings to create a barrier that mice, rats, and other pests are unable or unwilling to gnaw through. Durable, reliable performance. Includes Xcluder stainless steel wool fill fabric, shears, and sturdy work gloves. Everything you need to start filling rodent entry points. This eco-friendly, non-corrosive material ensures durable, reliable performance that won't rust or discolor. Prevent unwanted guests. Stop mice, rats, and other rodents from entering homes, offices, and more by using our innovative steel wool rodent control fill fabric. Made with steel wool mice cannot chew through. Used to fill weep holes, gaps around pipes, attic vents, siding, and other vulnerable areas. No harmful chemicals. Tested and proven effective by the USDA's APHIS lab, rodent control fill fabric creates a protective barrier against rodents and insects without reliance on harmful chemicals or harsh pesticides. Long-lasting and rust-resistant. Our fill fabric is made from coarse stainless steel wool interwoven with polyfibers, making it rust-resistant. A permanent solution to prevent rodents, insects, and other pests from entering residential homes or commercial office buildings. Top reviews from the United States. It worked. Rats. Scratching in the walls. Terror strikes my wife. I see rodents freaking out in my garage and I am done. They've somehow chewed through a hardwood gap fill, but their nasty little teeth can't pierce meshed human steel. I use the enclosed gloves, neat, and scissors, garbage. Just pull the stuff apart like it's dough, and shove the rodent impenetrable fill into the hole they chewed out. Instantly scratching has stopped. Well, not instantly, there was a few days of mournful scraping from the now mummified starving dead. Die in misery suckers. Traps got the rest as they attempted vainly to regain entry from the garage. I am the greatest hunter of all time. I thought to myself. You can, too. Taped some onto the bottom of my garage door in strategic openings and no rats or their droppings have been encountered since. Peace at last.